Are you wondering if YouTube TV includes Paramount Plus as part of its service? In this video, I'm going to break it all down for you and explain whether these two platforms are connected. If you're hoping to access Paramount Plus through YouTube TV, you'll want to hear this. Unfortunately, YouTube TV does not include Paramount Plus in its channel lineup or package options. YouTube TV focuses on live TV channels like ESPN, CNN, and local affiliates, while Paramount Plus is a separate subscription service offering shows, movies, and sports like NFL games and Star Trek. The two services operate independently, so you'll need to subscribe to each separately if you want access to both. However, you can still enjoy Paramount Plus alongside YouTube TV by using the same device to switch between apps. If this video helped you understand that YouTube TV doesn't include Paramount Plus, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching!